Polygon Matic holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. In this video, once again, I'm talking about Polygon price prediction update. What surprise changes occur in the Polygon Matic. Let me show you guys, but before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more update and news videos about Polygon Matic, guys. So the right now price of Polygon in the market is about 1.26 USD dollar. That is right now price of Polygon. And furthermore, if we study the Chinese update, so now last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week changes occur in the Polygon are completely going positive. So personally, I'm also feeling very happy, and I'm feeling very excited to see these positive changes, guys. That's unbelievable, and that's a surprise for all of you guys. Personally, I'm very happy to see positive changes, guys. And here, if you look the price chart of last 3 days, so you can see here 14% the price pump just in last 3 days. And now in the latest situation, Polygon is also in the pumping mode. So I believe, guys, that for a long time Polygon will continue this pump, guys. I recommend for all of you to please hold, and I think selling at this time is not a good decision for all of you guys. Anyways, what is your opinion about Polygon? Also share on the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more update and news videos.